Back at the Legends Golf Club here in Franklin, Indiana for today's championship round of the IHSAA 2013 Golf State Finals. Adam, I know you're not Tiger Woods, but you are Adam Woods. Congratulations on a terrific round.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about it.
I was hitting the ball just okay, you know, through the first about 7 or 8 holes. I made a really nice birdie on that third hole, hit a nice short iron in there pretty close to the hole and made that one. Other than that, it was pretty steady Eddie through those first 8 holes, and then I got to 9 and I got over a wedge shot from about 118. And it just felt really comfortable, and I hit that, I staked it, you know, right into about 4 feet, and then that kind of got me rolling. I birdied 10, 11, and 13, so that was the kind of stretch where I hit my, I had my hot streak. Then made, for the second day in a row, made a dumb bogey on 15, the par 5. I'm still kicking myself over yesterday's, let alone today. But then again, bounced back on 16 with a nice iron shot and made birdie there. And then kind of doinked it around the last 2 holes, just kind of coming in, but all in all, it was a pretty solid ball striking day, and a few putts went in. So.
You know, you're coming into today's round with -4 and sharing that lead with 2 others. Did it kind of take a little bit of pressure knowing that 2 other guys are sharing and not just you?
Well, I mean, yeah, but you are the front runners, so I knew if I went out and posted a good score, then even though I was tied with 2 other guys, that I'd be in good shape. So even though I was tied with the others, I felt like I was in good position to give it a decent shot.
What kind of a night did you have last night?
It's just fine. I watched a little bit of that Spurs game. They were shooting the lights out.
So that's what you decided to do today,
right?
I
packed a little bit. I'm actually leaving tonight for a Team USA event over in Japan. So I packed a little bit for that and then just kind of relaxed.
Congratulations. We'll hang on and see what happens.
Thank you.
Good job.
Can you talk a little bit about